Hey everyone, so yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to pin important emails in your Gmail inbox step by step. If you keep losing important emails, starring and inbox settings can fix that. This full guide for 2026 helps you stay organized. Gmail doesn't have a traditional pin button, but stars work the same way. Click the star icon next to any email to pin it. Change your inbox type to starred first to see pinned emails at the top. Enable multiple star types to mark different priorities. Use labels like important or priority for extra organization. Train Gmail's importance marker by marking emails manually. Find pinned emails anytime using the starred label. On mobile, just tap the star icon. Only pin emails that matter and unstar them when done. And yeah, that's how to pin important emails in Gmail inbox step by step in 2026. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.